After making this recipe, you will only want to eat chicken wings like this. To start, in a pan with 17 ounces of chicken wings, add 2 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and stir to combine. Oh, and tell me where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes. And when the milk starts boiling, turn the chicken wings and let them cook until the milk is reduced by half. Then in a bowl, add 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, and stir. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So like the video and write in the comments, "I love chicken." Dip our chicken in this mixture. And then coat with breadcrumbs. You guys, this recipe is very easy to make and very delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. Repeat the same process with all the wings. Be sure to make this recipe at home and come back here to tell me how it turned out. We'd love to know. To continue, in a pan, add oil. And when the oil is hot, add the chicken wings. When it is ready, remove and drain the oil. You guys, these wings are very crispy and delicious. Leave a rating in the comments from 0 to 10 so I know how much you liked our recipe. And our recipe is ready. Now you can just enjoy it. I really hope you liked it. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.